Sebastian, identity have traditionally been, as you put it, an operational efficiency question. We're talking about the infrastructural team, synchronizing directories, but given the fact that identity is now the primary attack surface, have that conversation moved up the chain to be more of a security leadership type of question?
Yes, it is for sure. For a long time being, cybersecurity has been really primarily focused on infrastructure and network elements. But we are now in a situation where everything is merging, and we see as we move forward more and more capabilities targeting identity as the attack surface. So for instance, you have upcoming technologies such as IVIP, Identity Visibility Intelligence, or ITDR, Identity Threat Detection and Response, which are the exact answer to this problem where you bring identity to the cybersecurity table. Moreover, what it means as well is that I would say cybersecurity is now perceived as a risk for the company and move forward as all the other risks to the C-level at the board of the director level.